One problem I noticed with this bike is switching to neutral is pretty hard, and switching from first to second gear is little tricky unless you hit the speed of 20 kilometers per hour. Once you hit 20, it's easy to shift to second and then upwards. Few small things here and there are slightly on the irritating side, but otherwise amazing for the city. I love this black color Harrier, man, dark edition Harrier, but for now no car purchase, एक ही कार से चलना है. Anyway guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to a new vlog. It's been so long since you've been to a mall. Feels strange. It's June 2nd and it's a holiday today. Some of us are meeting at Chaitanya's place, and unlike last time, I'll try to show you guys some of my friends too. Me, Chaitanya, Pranav, Sriman, maybe Srujan, and maybe Shiva. Once his work is done, he's still working today even though today is a holiday. So today's topic for discussion is actually there's a lot of things trending about made in China products, and that we should ban Chinese products because there is this ongoing tussle at the Indo-China border near Pangong Tso and Galwan Valley. Ladakh has lot of history if you are interested in knowing about it, and there's a lot going on, especially at that border. The main reason China is interested in which it has occupied Aksai Chin during the 1963 war, if I'm not wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong for the year, but the reason they occupied it is, one, we had a weaker army, two, they wanted to control western Tibet. A small geography lesson: we have India, Nepal, and then Tibet, and then China. So that was how it was long way back, but then Tibet is occupied by China, just like what they're doing with Hong Kong now. And some people don't know that Hong Kong is part of China now, officially part of China, even though it has autonomy, like it can rule on its own. Hong Kong is now officially part of China. They forcibly grabbed it. So there are a lot of things China is doing right now. I don't know the timing of it, but when you are probably one of the main reasons the world is in a lockdown, I would probably stay away from these issues. But I think it's good at diverting attention of people, and I don't know which is diverting the attention. Is it the corona or these border tensions with multiple nations? Coming to the point, should we ban made in Chinese products? Guys, economics and business work entirely differently. We import a lot of products, we export a lot of products. There's a lot of trade benefits, and when you're in a tussle with a country like China, which has a bigger economy, in some cases better products, if we stop trading with China, we would be mostly at loss because we export very little to China. We import quite a bit from China actually. So just keep that in mind. Even if we stop buying Chinese products, the amount of exports that China does to India in their entire GDP is very little. So I would say it would hardly impact any policy making of China, and it would mostly impact us because we are not ready yet. This has been a systematic problem since ages. We haven't developed Indian products, so that's how the economy is. It'll take a long time for that to establish. So that is just too short-term addition, and the benefit is also too little to have any impact. If we just, let's say, ban Chinese products, we would just be consuming less. And when I say consumption, be it anything, be it using phones or gadgets, buying electronics, appliances, etc. So that's not the solution, guys. The solution is we need to develop our own Indian indigenous technologies, manufacturing plants, so that we can naturally stop the requirement of importing certain products, mainly from China in this case. So that's my take. For me personally, I don't care where the product is coming from, as long as it's good. I'm going to use it because I'm a consumer. Unless the government of India takes a decision, we're not going to import anything from China, there's not going to be any impact, guys. Even if they increase excise duties and all, the price at which the Chinese products come, they are still lower than what we make at home. That's the fact. Anyway, that's just my 2 cents on this topic. Imagine what happened to TikTok, the whole rating of TikTok versus YouTube. I don't want to get into that because that's been a topic for people who want to increase their viewership and subscribers. I just don't want to get into that. Look what happened. Like, people, Indians especially, rated that product down, and Google just deleted all those negative comments, and the rating is back up to 4.4 now. So what did it do? These are just superficial, too little to have any major impact. So think big, think large, think how we can get our country stronger and bigger. I want to give you guys few updates on our rides. Now that the lockdown's been slowly lifted, in fact, you can't call any of this any lockdown now. You can even go back home by before 9 o'clock. Some interstate travel is allowed. The nation's pretty much open actually for travel, but hotels are also getting opened up. Some of us in our gang who are slightly more adventurous, including me and Sriman and maybe a few others, we're thinking of making a ride. And we are trying to understand, identify destinations and routes and travel plans. So we are planning all the logistics right now. Can't guarantee you we'll have a ride, but we are planning. Originally we had a big ride plan before this whole mess began, and we still wanted to fix with that plan. But the only thing is, stay is going to be tricky, food is going to be tricky, and then the worst case scenario where you get locked down in a particular state and you can't come back. These are the things that are in mind. We can probably stay in a homestay, cook our own food and travel, but there will be at least one location where we will have some trouble, and we don't know how safe these hotels or homestays are, how sterilized they are. Most of these guys now have kids and their families, like Sriman, Shiva, Rohit. We have to keep in mind the kids too, besides the family, the elderly people in our family. So a lot of things in mind. If it was just me, a bachelor, I wouldn't have thought in twice. I would have just planned to leave by June 8th. We have some backup solutions too, so that we can still do the ride with limited amount of trouble. Let's see how things pan out. For now, we're identifying locations and logistics. We'll update you guys, and more than anything, we just are waiting to start riding. I started my breakfast rides, so maybe this Saturday or Sunday we'll do another short ride. And the ride video will be either updated by the end of this week, because there's some extra editing that I'm doing. So that's going to come later than this video. This is going to be just a quick short vlog that will probably come tomorrow, which is June 3rd. I want to put some effort into that video and not just post a regular vlog, motor vlog. Stay tuned for that. Anyway, I'm almost near Chaitanya's place, so we'll catch you guys right there.
A few moments later.
Sriman's experimenting COD on an iPad. Oh, you said it's not the bike, it's the rider on yesterday. Oh?
Yes.
Why are you experimenting with the iPad?
Understood that this fellow easily wins every time because he uses this much of screen, while we play on such a small screen.
Yeah, it makes a difference for sure.
Lot of difference, dude.
ఏంట్రా చెప్తున్నావు?
ఏం చెప్పట్లేదు
ఏదో ఉన్నావు?
నేను చెప్పే అంత పెద్ద మనిషిని కాదు.
ఐదేళ్ళు పెట్టి నేను చేస్తున్నా.
స్లీవ్లెస్ వార్ ఏమంటున్నావు ఈ మధ్య బ్లాగ్స్లో?
నీకు ఫింగర్స్ ఆడాను.
అరుస్తున్నావు?
నువ్వు అప్పుడు కొట్టానా అంటే కొడతావేమోనని.
ఇది షూటింగ్. అవురా రే బాగుంది. నేను ఐప్యాడ్ కొనాలి.
థంబ్ ఫర్ మూవ్మెంట్. దీంతో మూవ్ చేయాలి.
ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్
ఇది ఫర్ డకింగ్ అండ్ జంపింగ్.
సో షూట్ చేస్తూ కింద పట్టుకో.
ఇది ఏ వర్షన్ అయిపోయాడు రా?
కింద షూట్ చేస్తూ పట్టుకోండి.
వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ ఆదిత్య. How was the weekend ride?
It was good. It was good.
This is the entire gang. Almost.
ఇంకో సగం ఉంది.
బాకీ
మనము
For today.
మనం ప్రైవేట్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే 10 ఇట్లా ఫిల్ అయిపోతాయి లాబీ అనగానే.
Hey guys, that was yesterday. It was great fun. We just relaxed for a while, talked about ride plans, where the country is heading, because the lockdown's open, but the cases are rising, so we don't know how things are going to be, especially for our rides. And then Suju had to leave early because he had some work at home, so Sriman left with him. And then me, Chaitanya, Adi played some TT. Just wanted to pause this quick short vlog, so from next week onwards, you're going to see vlogs, at least 2 vlogs in a week. Last 3-4 weeks I've just been lazy, and I'm still trading stocks, but I don't want to talk anything about stock trading right now because I want to achieve certain targets, and that's when I'll do a comprehensive vlog about if it's working or not. Anyway, that's it for today's vlog. As a quick summary of the vlog, there's no point in thinking about not buying Chinese products so that it would have an impact on China. That's just too narrow-sighted. If you don't like it, don't buy it. If you like it, buy it. Doesn't matter where it comes from, because it won't change zilch or nothing about anything about what the country is doing at the border. And regarding the ride updates, we're still working on that. You'll know soon if we have something concrete. And if you have any suggestions about how different states are opening up, that would help us plan our routes better. So please let us know in the comment section how your state is acting upon the hotel and the tourism industry. Would love to get your comments. And that's it for today's vlog. And just in case you're watching this in the night time, have a good night. Stay tuned for the vlog coming up this weekend, because that's from the breakfast that I did last weekend. The weather's beautiful out there, so go enjoy some rain. Monsoons have started, and if you're in Maharashtra, Mumbai, please stay indoors because there's a cyclone there. And that's it, guys. So take care. See you soon. Bye bye.